passes, cutting classes, squeezing asses. Smoking blunts was a daily routine since 13. A chubby on the scene. I used to have the tray deuce and the deuce in my bubble goose. Now I got so very serious. Stupid.
I don't know if your money right, but a nigga like me got paper. I don't know if your money right, but a nigga like me got paper. I don't know what your money like, but a nigga like me about paper. I'm about paper, I'm about paper. All my niggas getting paid.
You know I'm cooler than the other side of the pillow.
All my hustlers got paper.
Listen up, hustlers. I treat them bricks like the wheel of fortune. Spin it, that's why I'm rich. Sick, I should've been in soft 4, but I'm numero uno, trick draw 4. Hey, I wave at the haters. They know it's me, I be wearing all the lasers. Shake down, we paper touch. Ever since I came home and escaped the cuffs. Cafe, serving the east to the west. Got 'em on E like Ryan Seacrest. The wire said keep the devil in the hole, but I'm the chef, my kettle is never cold. It's whatever for the dough, whatever's on the flow. Like I'm from Frisco, just tell me when to go. Memorial Day in MIA, I made it Hurricane with Chris A. Baby.
From PR to DR, niggas know who we are. They know how we do it, it's the
So very serious. Stupid.
When I woke up this morning, I found myself alone. I turned to touch her hair and she was gone. She was gone. And there beside my pillow were her tears from the night before. She said, give up your guns and face the law. I robbed the bank in Tampa and I thought I had it made, but the hounds picked up my trail within the glades. So I ran and I stumbled on this cabin, and she came to me once more. She said, give up your gun. She said, give up your gun. She said, give up your gun and face the law.
This is a stick up, pistols and lift up. If you don't get up your hand. Quiet, tell 'em.
Under the violence, then we get numb and get silent. Get my gun in the fire and I'm never running to hiding.
Come on. This is a stick up, pistols and lift up. If you don't get up your hand. One more time.
We succumb to the violence, then we get numb and get silent. Get my gun in the fire and I'm never running to hiding.
About a minute bullet running from the gun in front of any one of y'all youngins. We ain't tripping in the winter, still killing spring chickens. We ain't slipping, we ain't sickin'. You ain't listening, this is me, bitch. Nigga, bitch G with my nigga Quat League. Go back, getting stacks since 03, no strings, yo swing, spitting, making tracks like a dope fiend. Oh, me and my team, hot dream team. I done seen, I've seen things, seen a nigga hold back, drop like a green screen, stuck him for his cream, so they stuck him up and sing. I know what you mean, dog. Got me caught between walls. I don't kill, I just make extreme calls. I don't aim, I don't get a speech in the streets like I'm living in the movie. I just let the thing go, getting up my funds while I'm ripping up the slums with the only pistol left, cause they're giving up their guns.
Come on, yeah.
Instead the lies and notes she wrote to me, and it says, though you can't live by the bullet, but you sure as death can die. My love, give up your guns or say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. And the sheriff now is calling.
Yeah.
With a shotgun
Oh.
at my door.
Yeah.
Son,
Woo.
give up your gun.
Jeg er Svarte Petter og jeg bor i et hus som ligger midt i skogen og er glorete gult. Og noen ganger så er mora mi kul og kommer inn med boller og brus. Yeah! Når jeg har bursdag får jeg velge en kake som mamma min skal bake, blir som regel sjokolade. For sjokolade er det beste jeg vet, det er forresten bare nesten ikke helt. For mormor lager lager verdens diggeste pai. Serverer den med masser av krem og så varm. Jeg lover deg den lukter så godt. Jeg får vann inn i munnen og blir litt kåt. Ja, mormor lager verdens diggeste pai. Hun fyller den med nøtter og bær og litt frukt. Du gjetter aldri hva som er i. Den er søt, den er salt, den er gal, den er syk. Ingen pai kan måle seg med mormor sin. Mormoren min kan lage mye bedre pai enn farmoren din og mormoren din. Det er en hemmelig ingrediens i mormor sin som gjør at hun kan bake bedre enn alle andre mormorer. De lager kjøtt og wienerbrød av vaffelhjert og syltetøy. Har masse tøt i kaffen sin, men mormor ingen gjør paien din. Det er karamell og marsipan, det er eplekak og fattigmann. Det er dessert vi snakker om, og mormor skinker av meg bulgallon. Jeg svarte Petter og jeg liker dessert. Regner med at nesten alle dere liker det selv. Som det er brus og søte saker er jo likende skrær. Hvis du driter langt i tenner og er frivillig feit. Jeg er frivillig greit, meldt meg frivillig på. Bare paien viser vei, så skal jeg frivillig gå. Og de ser meg forsvinne, står opp på kanten av et stup. Tar et digert stykke pai og bare kaster meg ut. Vi bare svever av sted, inn i solnedgangen svever vi ned. Du kan tro vi fant et fredelig sted. Da var eventyret over, jeg og paien er vekk. Men legenden sier at vi begge lever et sted. For ingen pai kan måle seg med mormor sin. Mormoren din kan lage mye bedre pai enn farmoren din og mormoren din. Det er en hemmelig ingrediens i mormor sin som gjør at hun kan bake bedre enn alle andre mormorer. De lager kjøtt og wienerbrød av vaffelhjert og syltetøy. Har masse tøt i kaffen sin, men mormor ingen gjør paien din. Det er karamell og marsipan,